Alright, my name's ArtJohn, I'm an artist and an educator, and this channel is all about giving tools to parents and teachers so that they can lead fantastic art sessions with their young people at home or in the classroom. And this video is all about how to make a dinosaur using nothing but a cereal box. So we're going to make a dinosaur using a cereal box, not sponsored. I mean, I love them, I wish it was. But this isn't really about making dinosaurs. This is about learning a simple technique where you can use slots to build a sculpture and create things that are full of expression, full of play, and full of investigation. Now you get to those things with your pupils and your children at home if you provide restrictions and challenges. That's the best way to get to the creativity. So for this exercise, we're only going to use one shape, a triangle. And the thing is, you don't need to do a dinosaur like mine. You can do any other type of dinosaur or any other type of thing completely. It's totally up to you, because once you've got the technique, you can do anything. And that's kind of the reason why I love this activity. It teaches young people that you can take a complicated image and you can break it down into simple shapes and create something that reminds people of it. You don't need to produce something that's a perfect copy of something in real life. Sometimes all you need to do as an artist is trigger someone else's imagination, and their imagination will make the connections and see what you want them to see. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Be safe.